Hey guys, it's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel. And yes, as you can see by the title, I will be talking to the women today. You know, there's just something I want to address. So last week Thursday, I believe, was International Women's Day, and then yesterday was Mother's Day. Happy belated Mother's Day to any mother watching. So yeah, what I'm trying to say is it's been about the ladies for a bit, you know, the light's been on us for a bit, which is amazing. So as I said, last week Thursday was International Women's Day, and you know, both women and men were, you know, just sending messages around, putting on their social media sites, just saying Happy International Women's Day, you know, we appreciate you, you know, continue doing what you're doing, etc, etc, etc. So it just made me think, why is it only because it's International Women's Day there's just all this love, there's all this support, which there's nothing wrong with it, that's how it should be, you know, support women, love women, yes, but why is it as soon as it's like midnight, all of that support, all of that love just stops? Now, especially us women, we should carry that on throughout the whole year. You know, every day to us should be International Women's Day, because at the end of the day, we are all women, we are all doing something good, and we are all fighting for the same reasons. But I just want to address it because there's just some women out here, no names, this is just an example, okay? There's just some women out here that rather to instead uplift a woman, compete with her, you know, badmouth her, you know, talk her down instead of uplifting, showing love, supporting. Let me just give you a few examples. Some females will see a woman doing amazing, you know, she's doing well in her career, she's taken off, everything's going well for her. Instead of supporting her and telling her how well she's done, they choose instead to compete with her and see how far they can get. But why? Why not just tell her how amazing she's doing and learn from her? Another example, some women will see another woman looking good, you know, she lost a few pounds, she's in a nice outfit. Instead of telling her how well she's worked off that weight and how good she looks, they rather just, they choose a flaw and they say, no, that doesn't look too good, no, that top doesn't go with that trousers, you know. But why do women choose to compete with each other and badmouth each other? It really doesn't make sense to me. We are all women, we have a day for ourselves. It clearly shows we're doing something, and we've gotten so far that I still don't understand up until today that some women choose to badmouth each other and compete against each other. It doesn't make sense to me, and what I'm trying to say is it should stop, and it needs to stop. We are women, we should stop separating each other and work together as a force. We should start learning from each other, you know, uplifting each other, sharing love, showing support. We don't need to compete with each other. At the end of the day, what is meant for you will be for you. Remember that. Anything that is meant for you will be for you. So if you're doing something and you know that you need the help, instead of trying to compete with another woman, just tell her how good she's going and, you know, how much she's inspiring you. And I'm pretty sure just that support and that love, both of you will be there, both of you will be at your destination. At the end of the day, anything you're doing, I don't care how independent you think you are, you're always gonna need help, because you can't do anything by yourself. It's the truth and it's facts, and you can take it how you want to. But I say, and I'm hoping that if you watch this, you take something from it, you know, just try it. As of today, try sharing a bit of love with another woman, you know, try supporting, try complimenting. There's no need for hate, there's no need for jealousy. There's already too much of this in the world, and it just needs to stop, you know. So I hope you took something from this video. I hope you start to, you know, just support like I said. And once again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in another video. Bye.